Hey there, and welcome to today's video. In this guide, I'll show you how to control who can mention you in the Threads app on your Android phone. This is important for privacy and managing interactions. Whether you want mentions from everyone or just people you follow, this tutorial is for you. First, unlock your Android phone and open the Threads app. Next, make sure you're in the Profile section. You can get there by tapping the profile icon. Then, tap the two horizontal lines located in the top right corner. After that, select Privacy from the menu that appears. Next, tap on Tags and Mentions. Under Mentions, you'll see three options. Everyone. Anyone can mention you. Profiles you follow. Only people you follow can mention you. No one. No one will be able to mention you. Tap your preferred option, and your settings will be saved automatically. That's all it takes to control who can mention you in Threads. Adjusting this setting helps you protect your space and enjoy a better experience on the app. Thanks for watching.